Hi guys, so I'm about to give you guys a little tour of my bedroom, just so you guys could see how I set it up, and yeah. So this is the door to my room. It's a sliding door. So it slides like that because I wanted to, for space-wise. So when you enter, this is a little overview. Yeah, so we'll start right here with my bed. This is my bed. It's called the Diva II. I got it from Bob's Discount Furniture. And my room is pretty much always like this. So my bed, my little Minnie Mouse hanging out right there. Over my bed, I have these 3 little paintings. They come as a set from Amazon. On this wall, I have some pictures that was taken by my brother. And then over here, I have these quotes that I just pieced together and then framed it. Then I have this that says, I am a girl, I am smart, I am strong, and I can do anything. Next to my bed, I have my nightstand, and on it I just have a lamp, this little vase thing that I got from Burlington Coat Factory, my Bible, this little jewelry thing, my glasses, my what's this, my Echo, that's the 3rd generation, water, my chapstick, and my phone charger, so it charges the phone, my watch, my AirPods, and the pen. Then over here I have a little chair. Next to the chair I have a little table. I put contact paper on it the contact paper was from Amazon. I have this little fake plant because I cannot keep real plants for nothing. Then back here I have my deodorant, candle, Vaseline, hand sanitizer, foot cream, a teddy bear that I got from my cousin. Right above the chair I have this little painting, Burlington Coat Factory. Then I have 3 little pictures hung up. This one says, I believe in pink. This is me when I was pregnant with my younger daughter, and then that's my older daughter next to me. And then this is the both of them. Then over here I have this little pillow. I usually just, when I'm sitting here, I'll put this pillow on my lap, and then if I'm working like on my laptop or whatever, so it just hangs out there. This is my vanity where I do my makeup. On this side I have this plug. This right here is my mirror, which I'll show you guys in a sec. So I have my makeup brushes. I have another candle. This one says Mom, a title just above Queen. And I have lipsticks. In this drawer, this is where I keep all my eyes. So all my eyeshadow palettes. Right here is mascara, eyeliner, stuff like that. My makeup wipes, lashes, more lashes, another eyeshadow palette. These are eyeshadow singles. Right here I have like the tools, spookies, an old picture of me. This right here is a whole bunch of tweezers. That's how I shape up my eyebrows. Then in this drawer is the face stuff. So foundations there, sprays here, my current favorite primer. Over here I have powder. Right here is a whole bunch of concealers. Back here is blush and highlighters. In this drawer is lip stuff. So right here is all my pencils. Over here, blending brush right here. Lipsticks and lip glosses are right here. This container I put my dirty brushes. So after I do my makeup, I'll throw them all right here. This is to wash my makeup brushes, and then I have this little bottle here. Right here is my mirror when I'm doing my makeup. So as you know, it's plugged in right there. So this, it turns on. I have more makeup brushes right here, but I don't use these. These are just pretty much there for decoration. Right above here, I have, this is supposed to go in my hair, and then this is a little mask, but I think I had gotten this for a party that I went to, but I don't really use it. Then right here, I have this little elephant, Burlington. I caught the bouquet at my aunt's wedding, so it's just in here. Then I have this, I forgot what it's called. I'll put it in at the bottom. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, it makes the air smell good or whatever. This, on both sides, right here and right here, it has, you can hang your necklaces at the back. So I'll just have a couple there. I have the rest in my walk-in closet, but those are like the really long ones. My drapes, and then this is my desk. In this little corner I have my karaoke mic and thing, my garbage can right here. Yeah, this had a package today. Move that out the way. What's over here? So this is my desk. This was originally gold, but I spray painted it silver, as well as my little bench thing. This was gold, but I made it silver. I have a plant. It's supposed to be a succulent, and it's like, it's dying. I don't know what to do, so it just sits right here. I have 2 boxes that I keep my keepsake stuff in. I have this pen. I'm a teacher, and this one says Queen of the Classroom. It's rose gold, so it just stays there. My stapler. I mean, everything else is self-explanatory up here. This is my work laptop, and then my laptop. Above my desk, I have this little frame thing that I put my pictures on. This is so cute. So this is silver, and then this is fur. I believe it's Kate Spade. So I really like that. And then over here, I have this gigantic mirror, and then I just hang curtains, and then I put up a little light, LED light. So it's ran from, as you can see, from the bottom. So it's like ran this way, and it goes up, across, and then down. And I have it ran like under here, then up, then around the TV. Yeah, and those are my two little princesses, Ming and Chin. They are now, what, 8 and 5. Ooh. Okay, so above my, what is this called? My chest of drawers, I have candles, Mother's Day card that my kids made last year. Yes, I still have a DVD player. And then that's me and my friend. And then a little plant back there. And then me again right there. And yeah, that is my room. So one more overview. Oh, I forgot to mention that, my little makeup thing. Oh, and my carpet, let's get into it. This was also from Bob's. It's just really not fluffy. Like, it's crazy to clean it, but so this is my bed area. And yeah, my little slippers, pink and cheetah. And out there is just my living room. So, and then this is how my door closes. It just slides. So if you want to save space, just get a sliding door. And yeah, that is all, guys. Bye.